We didn't do so hot last night. Track was super heavy, and the car was actually pretty loose. It was really rough. Car did not like being in the rough, so we got to work on a setup for that. Um, did end up losing a spring cup, so this was really sitting down on the left rear. That could have been part of it, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it was super heavy. I went through 4 tear-offs in the main. Usually I don't even go through one. But yeah, we'll get her washed up. Mixture going. Got the cars all mud scraped off. That was from the main event right there. All that you saw. That's how heavy the track was. Yeah. A lot of big came off here. But I'm using super clean. I don't use super clean because they sponsor a lot of sanctions, and I'll support a company that sponsors a lot of racing sanctions. I put a little bit of WD-40 in there. Just to help with like rust and whatnot and keep the car looking good. Got the rear end soaked, front end soaking. I like to just let the soap sit on there, kind of dissolve some of the stuff. Yeah, and then I'll do the outside and then just continue letting it soak on the grease and grime. It's already starting to kind of dry. It's still like 80, almost 90 degrees here in October. Almost November. couple hours later, got the car back together. Got back in the garage. Getting ready to start tearing it down, going through it, unbolting it. Making an ordered list ready to go racing next weekend at Casa Grande. So yeah, guys, there she is.